My name is Rangin Rinan. This is ISIM 101. Ang about the evolution of the internet, wave 1.0, wave 2.0, and wave 3.1.0. Wave 1.0 is a ancestor of the internet that we use today. It was a static wave. The user could only read or view the content and had no ability to interact with it. Websites were designed using HTML, and CSS, and it was a one-way communication with web page composed of plain text and image. No database connectivity, and the page were not interactive. Let's move on to 2.0. 2.0, the next big thing. It's the early 2000. The internet landscape saw a major shift with the advent of Wave 2.0. But what is Wave 2.0? Let's dive in. Wave 2.0 refers to the second generation of the world worldwide, characterized by interactive and user creative web application and site. Unlike Wave 1.0, which is Wave 2.0, websites are more dynamic, collaborative, and future rich. Just think about it with Wave 2.0 site. You can do so much more online than you could before site. Such as Wikipedia, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter are all examples of Wave 2.0. Okay na? Let's move on to Wave 3.0. Wave 3.0 is the future of the internet. It's also known as the semantic wave, as the focus on the meaning of data rather than just a data itself. It's the next big there after Wave 2.0. The Wave 3.0 environment has more advanced feature and application that provide a more personalized and relevant experience to the user. Wave 3.0 is characterized by machine-based intelligence natural language processing and ontology-based metadata. It uses wave crawling and other types of artificial intelligence to create comprehensive database of information that can be easily accessible and understandable by machine of technology that power Wave 3.0.